The district-level inter-school athletic meet that was held after a gap of over 2 years owing to the COVID-19 pandemic concluded on Friday last at Kiang Nangbah Stadium, Dongmei, Jowai. Despite the heavy downpour, the 3-day event witnessed enthusiastic participation of students who attended the inaugural program and took part in the events. However, the underdeveloped sports infrastructure remained a matter of concern for athletes and organizers alike. Here's a report.
Around 17 schools participated in various events including 100 meter, 400 meter, 600 meter, 1500 meter and 4 into 100 meter track races among other sports activities. Speaking about the long-pending infrastructure development of the Kiang Nangbah Stadium, which was earlier promised by the State Sports Minister Bante Lingdo, the General Secretary, West Jaintia Hills District Sports Association, Lammat O.O. Lalu, wrote that even after 3 to 4 months of the Sports Minister having given the assurance, there has been no sign of progress. He added that the association would aggressively follow up on this with the Minister and concerned implementing authorities.
Minister la awan ini la ai jingkular. Andai katola lai sabrak. Por la ayat gila persami bani kalian rain pat tip ai family kumno kanlong connection tiktak kumbulai te nilam jongi kuminong kikap kasut ni persangkal bala mo ngin lai ban ya kendo ni persangman pun yuk na ban yo dikene ke bagi kuat.
It may be mentioned that the Sports Minister, during the opening of Golden Jubilee celebrations of West Jaintia Hills District Sports Association a few months ago, had stated that the funds for the synthetic track renovation had been sanctioned from the Khelo India scheme, that before the elections, the track as well as other infrastructural development would be effected at the Kiang Nangbah Stadium. The participating athletes also expressed concern over the renovation of the running tracks at the stadium. They have urged the government to take heed of the inconveniences and work towards the betterment of the sports infrastructure.
Ya kami nama ahora minister da EU jubab yang orang siang dekat scientific track kami ke Medan. Dah hado ni ke sini lah senasi opai udah dugi mara ha po ikti kata hado ni lem yo. Te karpat juroi ke sarkar snia bha besmat na ui scientific track yo na I umare hotel scientific track kamjo ke praktis yang igi peliar waro
karpat mot kajengnya per wa to wa dila leki cerita yang Meghalaya Games hasilong to suk u pen bagi to yo I do scientific track hai ni wan into school pedi jenjar ha ne bha wa to kwa ong ye ke sarkar to kamu dukular go yo iga ute scientific track.
Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.
And now the weather report.